I will find a place which won't make me shiver.
Vader, ons dank U, Here God, dat hierdie huwelik is vandag verenig in die hemel. En dat U die orde van die engele gee wat om hulle moet staan en by hulle sal staan. En dat dit met hulle sal goed gaan.
Where we could live forever.
Mag die Gees van God julle lei. Geseënd is julle tot die eer van God.
So when you're lonely and losing faith, and on your darkest days, I'll be there for you, even when I'm gone.
Hulle sê, mense is 'n spannende huwelik. Kyk wat het reg gekry, Lawie. Ons trou op jou ouer plaas, en groot geword het. Ons maak 'n klipharde span.
My hands are aching from the cold.
En dan wens ek vir ons net mooi goed. Ek spreek dit uit, my en vir jou, op fondasies wat vir ons gegee is deur great ouers. Deur die beste voorbeelde wat ek en jy kan hê. As ons daar bou, bou ons 'n huis wat nooit gaan omval nie.
You can find me there.
Ek is regtig lief vir jou en kom ons geniet die res van ons lewe saam.
Sometimes time is like a medicine, bright light guiding you home.
If it ain't broke, you can bet that I'm gonna break. If there's a wrong road, I'm damn sure gonna take. Where there's smoke, my pocket lighter spark the fire. Where there's blue lights, just read me my rights. We know they don't make guys like me. You get exactly what you see. I come from a long line of bloodline that ain't gonna change. So take your pistol, pointing finger right off of the trigger. I know where to aim. Hell, I'm to blame. Where there's a love, I tell you, girl, I love to hate it. Where there's a do not touch, my fingerprint done stained. Where there's a train wreck, sit on back and watch me crash. Where there's a would you say, damn right I said it. Ha! We know they don't make guys like me. You get exactly what you see. I come from a long line of bloodline that ain't gonna change. So take your pistol, pointing finger right off of the trigger. I know where to aim. Hell, I'm to blame for breaking your heart, taking this living a little too hard, drinking too much and playing too loud. Where there's a scar, I carved it out.
Swear that you're staying single, next thing you know, you meet a girl at a bar, and next thing you know, you get her laughing, it's 2 a.m. You're telling your buddies 3 months in, and she ain't moving in. But next thing you know, there's a U-Haul trailer. Next thing you know, your old apartment, it's y'all's new place. There goes the carpet, but the deer head stays. Next thing you know, you're saving money like never before, just to spend it all at a jewelry store. Getting down on one knee on her mama's porch, just praying she don't say no. Next thing you know, your best man gives a half-drunk speech, and you're sunburned on a honeymoon beach, and your left hand's getting used to that ring, and there the next 2 or 3 years gone. Next thing you know, you weren't really trying. Next thing you know, there's a test on the counter. Next thing you know, she's standing there crying, nodding her head yes. You're half excited, half scared to death. Cause next thing you know, you're wearing scrubs and a funny white hat, and the doctor saying how you doing there, Dad. And nobody's ever called you that, and you take the drive home slow. Next thing you know, it's first steps, first dates, first car. It's 11:01, wondering where they are. You're saying that a USC's too far. It's amazing how fast 17 years go. Next thing you know.
My Bori, jy is die enigste een wat nog ooit my storms kon rustig maak en my hart aan die brand steek op dieselfde tyd. Jy is daai perfekte kombinasie.
Get to know your wife again, and you're more in love than you've ever been. With a lot of years of remember wins and still some down the road.
Jy sorg vir sterk koffie. Jy sorg dat my hart vinniger klop. Vir opwinding, lag, waarheid praat, jammer sê, regmaak en intense liefde.
How fast this life down here can go. Next thing you know.
Ek is 100% in. Ek is joune. Dit beloof ek jou vandag, voor ons Here en al ons mense hier.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself,
Barend, ek lief jou meer as die slegte dae voor ons. Ek lief jou meer as enige fight wat ons ooit sal hê. Ek lief jou meer as die uitdagings wat tussen ons probeer kom.
I see skies of blue,
Ek lief jou.
clouds of white,
Ek lief jou die meeste.
bright blessed day, dark sacred night. And I think to myself,
En ek prys die Here dat ek vandag hier kan afloop
oh, what a wonderful world.
op Vierfontein om vir hom ewig getrou aan jou te beloof.
Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do?
As ek nou vir jou kyk, kan ek dit voel. En as ek nog so vir jou kyk, weet ek's by die huis. Ek is presies waar ek moet wees.
Waar die ook al gaan, sal sy gaan. En waar die is man die leiding neem, weet sy, jy sal haar versorg. En weet jy, sy sal jou lief hê. 'n Vrou wat by 'n man staan, maak 'n man suksesvol. Die sukses van 'n man lê gewoonlik by die vrou wat staan by die man. 'n Vrou wat kan bid. En die Here God, staan vandag as deel van julle verbond. Met ander woorde, hy het volle seggenskap oor julle huwelik. En dis wat fantasties is, dis die beste plek waar julle huwelik vandag is by die Here. Met ander woorde, niks kan inkom as God dit nie gaan toelaat nie, tensy julle dit toelaat. En julle is te lief vir mekaar om enigiets toe te laat wat nie van God af is nie.
Yes, I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. In the middle of the night, when the angels scream, I don't wanna live a life that I believe. Time to do and die. I will never forget the moment, I will never forget the moment. And the story goes on.
dark embrace. In the beginning was the light of a dawning age. Time to be alive. I will never forget the moment, the moment. I will never forget this night we sang, we sang. That's how the story goes. 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 Fate is coming, that I know. Time is running, got to go. Fate is coming, that I
Vandag begin jou en Barie se mooiste hoofstuk saam. Ek wens dat julle die mooiste huwelik saam sal hê en dat God julle elke dag met sy grootste genade sal seën. Geniet mekaar. Geniet die lewe saam soos net julle kan. En Barie, geniet my vriendin.
Ek dink ons almal sal saamstem, hy's 'n hardwerkende, doelgerigte jongman met integriteit. Ek ben Serien gesê sy wil op die plaas trou en Barie wou vir haar trou doen. Hy het daar 'n bietjie hulp gehad, maar as julle dieselfde effort en dieselfde gedagtegang in julle huwelik gaan insit, werk hard, moenie wag vir die ander om iets te doen nie. Kry dinge gedoen, jy weet, sonder om iets terug te verwag, dan dink ek gaan julle huwelik 'n suksesverhaal wees.